The power grid faces the threat of widespread damage from more frequent and catastrophic weather events. Repair costs skyrocket during storms as crews work around the clock. At the same time, an aging grid and outdated technology result in longer outages, impacting local economies and leaving communities vulnerable. Families could be cut off from necessities like clean water, while patients in the hospital might be reliant on backup power. Without a resilient grid, communities are left in the dark during the most dangerous moments, and regulators are calling for faster restoration after storms. Although utilities understand their vital role in protecting every household and the infrastructure communities rely on, environmental conditions make it challenging to restore power during storms. Ice, flooding, or debris can prevent crews from getting dispatched right away or block their path to an outage. In the eye of the storm, the grid is the first responder. It must be able to prevent outages and reroute power to minimize disruptions before a crew can get to the scene. There are multiple strategies to build a more autonomous and resilient grid. Undergrounding lines limit storm exposure and the risk of interruptions. On overhead lines, replacing fuses with fault testing devices keeps temporary issues from becoming sustained outages. And when there is a permanent fault, self-healing technology isolates the problem and reroutes power from an alternate source, both on feeders and laterals. Investing in these solutions helps keep the power on, allowing communities to safely ride through the storm and making it faster for crews to respond to fewer issues. In a future with more severe weather, grid resilience is no longer an aspiration, it's a necessity. Learn more at snc.com/resiliency.